Hey, it's Reese. Welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Today, we are doing a reaction to Strong Mommy Chrissy. Y'all already know Chrissy cannot stay away from it. Y'all already know Chrissy tries to be a top model, okay? You get me? So therefore, she has decided to go ahead and grace us with another one of her fashion hauls. So I have not seen this video, so we are going to do this together. It's a teamwork thing. Work with me, not against me. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first outfit that Chrissy is wearing is a color blocked pink pink as in Victoria's Secret jogger set. All right, now for me, I gotta tell y'all, I'm not too much a fan of the color blocking. One leg green, the other leg yellow, one side of the shirt yellow, the other side of the shirt white. I'm just not a big fan of that. You know, I'm just not. But I mean, what I am going to say is that the outfit looks good on her. So this actual pink outfit is basically a replica, a dupe of pink Victoria's Secret. So it is actually, you know what I mean, if you guys don't know what that means, it's actually a fake Victoria's Secret jogger set. Sometimes when this is what Chrissy, you get me, likes to wear, okay? So, I mean, my thing is that you can tell that it's cheap. You can tell by the quality of it that it is very cheap. You can tell that, you know, the actual material is actually stretching. So when you have cheap material and it stretches, you can actually see, you know what I mean, the way it was made, like the lines, you know, you can see the white cotton coming through. It just looks really weird. But I mean, as in, does it fit her? I mean, hey, it's a jogger suit. It ain't too much you can do. It's a fitted jogger suit, okay? That's what Chrissy likes. This is her style. The next outfit that she has on is another jogger suit again. And this one is black with the word body written all over, written on the front, and body going down the legs. Me personally, I don't like outfits, sweatshirts like that say names and shit like body or spoiled or something. I just don't like it. It's like really, really childish and just boring to me. But again, this is Chrissy's style. She, you know, likes this type of style. I mean, you guys saw when she had the when she had the skirt on standing by the tree. And the skirt, I think it may have said nothing to wear. Yeah, going all the way down the back of it. I was like, whoa, this shit right here is just out of hand. So yeah, so that's what she has on. I like the fact that when Chrissy does do her hauls, she has this thing where like she can pop the clothes off of her and pop it back on. I'm assuming that it is some basically type of editing that she's able to do that. I can already tell you right now, Jasmine is probably getting ready to go ahead and put up a haul. So she's going to be doing the same editing effects. I already know. But yeah, let me see the next one. The next one is another pink outfit with the, it's another jogger set or whatever. Again, like I said, I'm not too much of a fan of, you know, buying pink replicas. But again, Chrissy does get this stuff for free. So, hey, it is what it is. What I don't understand, though, let me bring this up too. You have a lot of people on here that used to do videos on different type of pocketbooks, and they were fake replicas or whatever, like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, or whatever, and they did videos of them. And after a while, YouTube got hipped on it and they made them take their videos down or started to flag them. So I'm wondering, like, when they do these type of videos and they have on the fake, you know what I'm saying? They have on the replica, the dupe, the fake clothes like pink, Ralph Lauren. I mean, exactly what she's doing. I don't understand why they don't take that down as well, but hey. And I mean, I'm gonna tell you too, I'm not gonna knock nobody from it or whatever. If if you feel as though you don't want to go to the store and you don't want to get a fake pink sweatsuit or whatever because you feel that it's too much, I mean, more power to you. If you want to walk around, you get me, with fake pink outfits on, hey, that's you, do you, okay? I just don't want to discourage nobody out there who is watching this video from them, you get what I'm saying, going to go ahead and, you know, get them a whole clothing haul of just fake shit, okay? You gotta fake it until you make it, okay? I'm a fucking fool. Alright, so I guess this video is basically going to be about a whole bunch of tight-ass jogging suits, okay? That's what this is. The next outfit that Chrissy has decided to go ahead and grace us with is a Devon Dutch jogger set, exactly like all of the rest of them. It has the Devon Dutch name all around it, and it does have a hoodie on it. You get me? It is fitting her exactly how every other jogging suit fits her. Yeah, that way. Yeah, so yeah, like I say, you know, I mean, I'm thinking going on through this video is basically about a whole bunch of not authentic clothes. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Now hold up now. Now, Chrissy got on a black puff coat or whatever. And let me tell y'all, this coat looks basically like it can never, ever be zipped up. Ever. Okay? This coat right here, I'm going to put all the pictures, you know, in, is definitely a no-go. It's definitely a no-go. I don't know, Chrissy, what is going on with you and the whole coat thing. Because I don't want to remind my audience about the other white coat that you had or whatever that blew the shit out of me because you look like a polar bear, Michelin. That's what it actually looked like. I mean, the Pillsbury Doughboy. It was giving me all those type of vibes. It was a blower, remember? So you decided to go ahead and get yourself a puff coat. You decided to go ahead and bring yourself back from wearing that white coat. Chrissy, I gotta tell you right now, this shit right here, girl, stop it. Stop it, okay? Stop. Now, what I'm gonna say is that when you buy these clothes, and you know what I mean, and you buy from these real cheap sites or whatever, the first thing that you want to do is you want to take all measurements because these clothes are cheap as hell. You get me? You might get a damn shirt and they forgot, you get me, to go ahead and put the other sleeve on. So now you walking around here with a whole, you know, hoodie on, and you got to keep your arm in, but you got one arm out because they ain't forget that. So that's the thing too that y'all got to, you know, try to worry about or try to remember when you order this type of shit, how it may come to you. So therefore, when you have your measurements and you pick what your measurements on by what they say in their measurement section, you want to order up a size after that. Okay? But yeah, this coat right here, yeah, it's not The only thing I can say, Chrissy, you might as well do is go ahead, take this coat off and give this coat to one of your girls. Okay? This right here was not a good fashion look. This coat right here was not bringing the boys to their knees. Okay? It's just not. You would have been better off, Chrissy, going to Walmart and getting yourself a puff coat. Yeah, you would have been, girl. But other than that, Chrissy, you know. But what I do gotta say, Chrissy, that wig you got on and them baby hairs, girl, they are popping, okay? Yeah. That I will say you did, okay? Right there. You did that one, Chrissy. But the coat, Chrissy, no. Don't do that. Go ahead and pass it along to one of your girls. Now, the next outfit that Chrissy has on, and this is the last outfit, and I guess she decided to go ahead and do what? Save the best for last. It's a whole entire onesie, and it is a replica Nike set. Yeah. So what I don't want to forget this too as well was, Chrissy, you could have made these outfits look much, much better because they're already fake and the material is already, you know what I mean, the worst. You could have made this look much better. It would have been better if when you decided to go ahead and do these outfits, if you had a nice bag, you get me. See, the thing of it is when you come out the house and you get ready to wear something that's cheap as shit, all right, and you know it, and you don't want nobody else to know that shit is cheap, and it might as well have been given to you. Go ahead and get yourself a bag, and I can guarantee you, every time you get yourself a nice bag and put that shit on with something that is dirt cheap, it'll fuck up the whole outfit. The whole outfit. Because people ain't zooming into your outfit. They zooming into that bag. So when they zoom into that nice ass bag that you have on your arm and your hand underneath your arm, if it's a, you know, whatever, an envelope bag, they like, damn, that's a nice ass bag. And then when they do that, you fake them out. You fake them out real good. So the next step is to go ahead and look at your actual outfit. And then when they look at it, and their mind already fucked up because you done got this slick ass bag, okay? So they look at the outfit and they were like, oh, yeah, she look cute. But where you also would have made it look even better is if you would have got for all of those outfits, went to the store. Please believe me, listen to me. Absolutely, I'm putting you down. If you would have went to the store and got you some real nice Adidas, Pumas, whatever sneakers, if you would have got you some real nice sneakers and threw them on there with that, a nice ass bracelet, some nice ass earrings, you already had your hair, you know what I'm saying, Slade. You already had the baby hair looking real nice. It would have been it. I mean, you would have sealed the deal. You would have sealed the deal. Yes, you would have. That's all you had to do. So, yeah, so that's some food for thoughts for you, Chrissy. Yeah, but I can see you. I mean, I definitely can, I definitely know that you are definitely watching my videos and you are listening. Thumbs up. Great job. Now, this whole little Nike set, like I said, I really like the last one, a Nike set. But like I said, if she would have threw on some nice ass Nikes with that, she would have killed them. She would have killed them. Now, my other thing is, because I looked at some of these clothes on this site, and I'm going to say, like, some of the sweatsuits were over, like, $40 around that or whatever. So my thing is that being as though she got the clothes for free, I get it. But if you are not getting the clothes for free, and they're $40 plus tax most likely, you might as well go ahead and save another $40 and go ahead and get yourself a nice ass pink shirt, okay? Or something that's within that range. You might as well do that, all right? Now, I myself, I have a couple of pink outfits, you get me, but I gotta be honest, I'm not really intrigued by pink. One of my girlfriends, I can tell you right now, the only thing she wears is pink and Adidas. Now, my thing is, I'm going to let you know, if I do come on camera or go anywhere with pink, the only time that I will buy a pink outfit from Victoria's Secret is that it has to be it has to have all of the sequence on it. It got to be sequenced down, the front, the back, the sleeves. That's the only way, you know what I mean, I buy paint. I mean, you either go hard or go home. Okay. But I love it when it has the sequence on it. Even the leggings, girl, the leggings got to be killed to the gods for me. Okay. They got to be made a certain type of way. I mean, y'all already know how I get down. I'm a little extra. But yeah, I will say those outfits, you know, were cute. That is exactly what you like or whatever. Yeah. But y'all gonna ask me personally, like y'all always do in the comments, would I have wear any of those outfits? No, I would not have worn any of those outfits except for the one, which is the Nike set. And I will tell y'all, if I did wear that all one-in-one Nike set, I would have had on a slick, a real nice leather coat, hipster. And I probably would have went head on and got me a pair of real nice Nikes. And then I would have been, you know what I mean, went into my closet and got me a real serious bag. And then I would not have been done there. I would have went head on and I would have put on some of my shades. Yeah, I would have did it like that. And then with the face, y'all already know I don't wear a bunch of makeup. I don't wear makeup unless I'm going out. I would have went head on and put me a real dark color lipstick on. But in that area, as in makeup, Chrissy has got that down. She got it down more than me because I ain't gonna be able to do it. Okay, I'm just not. I like my little natural shit. I ain't gotta be wiping every 10 minutes to oil off my damn face or whatever. I ain't gotta be gluing, you know, my eyelash, my eye together, y'all. Let me tell y'all. I myself was like, you know what I'm saying? This was like a couple of days ago. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyelashes, right? Y'all, when I tell y'all that shit was so much of a disaster, it was not even funny. That is when I said, you know what? My dumb ass is getting ready had to go to the emergency room for gluing my eye shut. So it's best for me to go ahead and slide on up off of these eyelashes, okay? Yeah, it was real crazy. Real crazy. It was real crazy. I was in the mirror looking completely like an idiot. Yeah, that's why I say, y'all, you know what I mean? You can't do everything that everybody do. And your girl cannot do the eyelash thing. I got to leave that for y'all. I got to leave it for y'all, okay? Now, I may get some put on when I go to the spa tomorrow. But trying to do it myself, it was a no-go. A complete no-go. Let me tell y'all, I extend my hand out to you guys that know how to put lashes on. Because I cannot. It takes skill. All right. And you guys have the skill. Reese, she does not have the skill for it. I'm not going to try to be something that I'm not. And that is that with the lashes. So I'm over it. Okay? Over it. So with that being said, you guys, I am going to see you in the next video. Later.